Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can add a blog in Wix. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just click here plus on add, and then you're gonna see blog here, and you're gonna see the post classic. You can simply like choose which one you like, and when I would like add a slider here, if you don't have like the blog here and you're gonna click add, you need to simply like choose the add button. It will activate and it will install, right? So yeah, when I have this, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to dashboard, and in dashboard you're going to see this blog, and you want to go to click on it, and here you can simply create a new post and like whatever, or like how to make money 1 2 3, then you click settings and add a cover image, and I can Baby Yoda here. Then you get like SEO here and categories and tags, or you can sell the subscriptions here. And yeah, this is pretty much how we do it. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And this is how you can simply then just click publish. Have a great day and goodbye.